about. So our resolution is 12,800 dpi. It's about 2 microns per pixel. That is our design resolution. We do not get 2 microns on substrate for maybe which will become obvious reasons. We work at about 17-inch web width, again, clean room manufacturing, but with our 2 micron resolution and our print and plate technology, we can get down to 6 to 8 micron features on substrate. So kind of all in one, from our copper microwire technology, this is the plate design on the left, the micrograph in terms of an SEM cross-section in the lower right. You see we get reasonably good quality copper, low voids, pretty good crystal structure. It's formed over a catalyst, and it's formed by Electroless deposition that allows us to have independently isolated islands and freedom of design without having to worry about doing electrochemical deposition where we have to make connections. And so it's digital design and analog print. So we tend to make meshes that are rectilinear and like standard screen door meshes, but we can make anything in the design phase and then transfer it into our process because our Electroless process doesn't require things to be conducted.